Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Khamkar and I'm an undergraduate student here at Flame University. My major is International Studies and my minor is Public Policy. I was honored to get an opportunity to represent India at the SU Youth Campus in China. Studying International Studies at Flame University has actually equipped me with the knowledge of understanding how alliances are made, how power is shared and how countries look at each other, not just in blacks and whites, but in greys. Whereas policy has taught me how decisions are made, how are they implemented and how do they affect the people at the grassroots level. Both of these pieces of knowledge are extremely important. In international studies, I've been taught analyzing conflict and peace, a course dedicated thoroughly on China. Whereas in policy, I was taught policy formulation and implementation. I distinctly remember during one panel discussion, when the conversations were flowing, I was able to bring in the multiple streams framework that I was taught back in my second year through a course of policy. But I was able to apply it, understand what they were saying. The fact that I could bridge the gap, not just between what they were saying and what I was listening, but through actual theory and the practicality of it, made a really big difference on a global stage. Considering I was one of the youngest delegates at the SEO Youth Forum, I did not quite expect to get an opportunity to speak, but I was pleasantly surprised when I was asked a day prior with a proposal to be actually able to speak. And of course I said yes. But where did I get the confidence from? I got it through all the courses and the academic grounding and the theoretical frameworks that I had learned here at Flame University. I got it through the interactions that I had, not just with my peers, but also through guest lecturers and also through my professors. And of course, my extracurriculars. My role and my participation in the student council, in managing cultural events. So what did I speak about? I spoke about India's digital transformation. In particular, I reflected on the digital public infrastructure, the skill building initiatives and the mechanisms that us, the youth, are now equipped with to ensure that we bring about a difference. Listening to other delegates actually helped me understand how other countries are equipping their youth, the technological skills that are needed to bring about an innovation. Traveling through China and visiting their industrial and technological hub was an eye-opener because it actually gave me a glimpse into understanding into how universities, industries and state, all of them are working together as one ecosystem. This experience helped me establish a global connection with the youth at large. I distinctly remember one of the delegates at the closing speech made a very beautiful but a very simple remark. He said, I hope this is not just mere dialogue, but direction. And that stuck with me because what I had learned in classrooms, I could see it playing out in real life, and all the conversations and dialogue made me very confident about where the youth is heading right now. This experience reaffirmed why I am studying international studies and public policy here at Flame University. It is not just to understand the world, but to also to be able to engage with it meaningfully.